the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted, buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up, yeah.